Hello painters, today I am going to coat my NightHaunt with iridescent paint. So I'm going to use an airbrush. And let me get it plugged in. And I am using a Posh single action airbrush for ease. Very, very easy to use. Got a quick fit. And it uses these little siphon bottles. And I'm going to mix up how I mix up my paint with you today. So I'm going to be using Green Stuff World Martian Green. It's got purple and green. I want the purple to emphasize the black, make it look more evil. And then, of course, their cloaks are green on them, NightHaunt, as you'll see. So that's why I chose the green color. So I like these Vallejo, the shifters, and these Green Stuff World ColorShift paints because they give two colors, two interference colors. So I'm going to shake this 50 times. And then I'm going to put in about 2 ounces. What is that? 20-30 milliliters into here. So with these paints, you always have to have something that'll stick in the bottle, like that, to open it up for yourself. So there it is. I put in about that much. And then I'm just going to eyeball it, but I put in about 10 milliliters, about 10 drops, about a half a milliliter of thinner. Probably too much. And about half that much, about a quarter milliliter, about 5 drops of flow improver. I'm going to add a little more because I kind of whoops with the thinner. And if you make a mistake and thin this stuff too much, I don't think it's the end of the world, because it's alcohol based, it will evaporate out. Hopefully that bottle will work, because none came out on my hands. So there's my NightHaunt that I'm going to paint. Turn on my compressor. And it's a press fit in here, a siphon bottle. And then the paint flow is controlled by opening this little cone, unscrewing it a little bit. And I see that I get some iridescent paint. It looks very purple. And I start off of it and kind of move on to it. And I get it from different angles. final angle be like this. So that's how I do it, and I will make another video showing how these guys turned out with the iridescent paint. I can see that the flesh looks pretty purpley. Sorry for bumping the camera. I can see that the flesh looks kind of purpley, so I'll probably want to go over that for sure. Unless I like that effect for some reason. I liked it on my vampires, my Soul Blight vampires. I'm not sure I'll like it on these guys. Maybe I will, since those are both armies of death. Maybe I'll want that tie together for them. That commonality. So I'll make another video now that I showed how to spray it with the airbrush. I'll make another video with how they turn out, and maybe even another video with any final touches that I do on them. These are my ChainRasp NightHaunt. The cheapest ones, so I have ones that are covered in gray. If I don't like these, I can certainly do it again. And just not use these armies if I hate them that much. So it's a good experiment. It's a good cheap army to do an experiment with. First thing I'm going to do is pour the diluted paint back into another container. Not the original container, since it's and clean the airbrush. That'll be the very first thing I do before I do anything else. Thank you, painters.